Hi dolls, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy and today we are going to color wax our natural hair. I know, I'm super late for the trend, but I'm gonna try it anyways. So welcome guys, and for you newbies, make sure to subscribe, like, share and follow me on social media. So right now you see me applying the color silver into my hair. My hair is not freshly washed, it is defined with the S-Girl gel, and what I loved about the product is that the wax did go very well with the S-Girl gel. It did not flake. I really did appreciate that, and also I did like the fact that the wax kind of defines the curls. It helps with the defining of the curls. And this is it, you guys, the silver color wax on this cute bob. I hope you guys like it. I really love it. It's time for some edges. Yes, yes. Oops, too much product, but that doesn't matter. You can always adjust it however you like. So let's proceed. So this is me in silver and blue ends. used the blue spray paint on top of the wax, and I have to say it did go very well. No flakes, nothing at all. And I love the color and the vibrancy of the color on the hair. Yeah, I love it. I really, really do. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow me on social media. And don't forget to comment, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Ciao!